So today I got an adjustment. Reason why: I was in a car accident just say last year. I experienced pain on my left hand side. Due to that, it's ongoing, it's not constant, come and goes. So today I came to get an adjustment.
And so basically what we found is on her pelvis was shifted up on the left. So our pelvis is what helps us walk. So if my hands represent the pelvis, it's moving up and down like this, right? That's what helps our legs move. Now on her left side, the pelvis is shifted up. So she can still walk, but there's some restriction with that. Another thing that was happening for her is because her issue is on the left, her body's been compensating for quite some time for this, so then she's starting to have a lot of tightness on the right side as a compensation. So she's still, of course, going to have some tightness there because this isn't something that happened overnight. But just after one treatment, we got that pelvis back into alignment. She's feeling much, much better. So